this for just for a TikTok. Hi, hello amiga, what is up and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jennyfer Ross. I am back at it again with another video. Today's video is going to be a weekend vlog, a weekend in which I'm working from home though. I always feel a little stressed when I have the weekend shifts, but this time I decided that I'm going to romanticize working from home and trying to still enjoy working from home. I love it because of the fact that I have the weekend on Monday and Tuesday, and I always have Wednesday off as well, so I will be free for the next 3 days after the weekend. And I like that a lot because then I can go to the city, I can go to the mall, and the places are not as busy as during the weekend. So it definitely has its perks, but I can't lie and say that I don't feel stressed. So even though I'm working, I'm gonna try to still relax after work and during work, and basically just enjoy the fact that I'm at home working in a chill environment. I started off the morning with cleaning my place up a little bit, cleaning the kitchen, all of that. So I basically am relaxed, you know. I'm working the night shift today, or the evening shift. I work until 10 p.m. tonight. So yeah, we're basically gonna just make this fun, and I hope I can inspire you to be grateful for whatever job you have. Whether that is a job in which you work partially at the office or remote, you need to find fun and appreciate the little things in life. So that's basically what I'm trying to show you in this video. And yeah, I hope you can take some inspiration out of it. Okay, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos from me, and let's go ahead and get into this weekend.
Pero ya. I called the staff surgeon. Issue. I realized it's
not acceptable.
For lunch, I am having Surinamese egg rolls that Ernie brought for us. Thank you, Ernie, if you're watching this. They are delicious. So I made a few for lunch, and I'm saving Benny too for when he gets home tonight. He will appreciate that. And in the meantime, I'm also watching the I Am Vanessa Gilligan documentary on Netflix. I've seen a lot about this case on YouTube already. A lot of people covered it, but I still wanted to watch the Netflix documentary because it was so intriguing to me. And I definitely recommend. I just started it though, so just like some background noise while I work. So yeah.
Estos animales adivinen no me van a buscar a mi niña. Este pueblo es muerte. Y ya hicimos una vida aquí en Houston. Me dediqué al hogar. Looking at that quote saying the great place It made me so frustrated.
I want justice and I want answers. You have all the technology, you have all the materials, but you can't find my sister?
Oh my god, this this documentary, it's, you know, sometimes when you watch true crime, you know that it's someone, that it's a real person that this happened to. It's a real family that their loved one is missing and stuff. And like actually seeing the sister of Vanessa standing outside of the building trying to get information on where her sister is, and the army is it? Like the military is just like acting as if nothing happened, trying to cover the whole thing up. It's just disgusting, and it's so heartbreaking to see. I have a sister of my own, and imagine, like, sometimes when I can't get in touch with her because I know she lives alone, I get so upset already and so worried. But imagine being your sister being in the military where she is supposed to be safe, and then she's going missing in the institution that she is in where she's supposed to be safe, and everyone acting as if nobody knows anything, and just like, what? So it is my little coffee break, and I'm now gonna change my bedding and start the weekend with fresh, clean bedding. Cheers, amiga. I'm having a little rosé. I'm having so much fun. I think I need to romanticize the late shift and the weekend shift more like this, because you need to see it like this. There was a time in my life that this was a dream, that it was a dream to just be able to work from home, get my job done, but just mind my business and be at home in my own environment and just working from home. There used to be a time at this very same job that I was only allowed to work from home 1 day a week. And I just need to romanticize the fact that this was once a dream, that I could work from home whenever I wanted, you know? So anyways, cheers. Be grateful for what you have. Be grateful for the situation that you're in. And only in that way you will be able to appreciate more in your life. This is fun. Anyways, I'm gonna continue working. Good morning, amiga. It is now the next day and it is now 8:38. It's really early, but I already showered, I got dressed, did my hair, skincare, everything. I only need to do my makeup later, and the whole reason for that is because I want to film a few perfume talks today, and I like to have makeup on when I do those. I also will be starting my shift in about 15 minutes, so I have some time to make breakfast and do all of that, make some coffee and whatnot. So I'm about to do that, but it's now Saturday, and so far I really enjoy romanticizing this weekend. I need to do this more often. This really definitely makes it easier. We'll see how I feel at 6, because that's the real question, how I will be feeling after the whole shift is done. And of course tomorrow I also have a shift, so we will see how all of that goes. Really happy about like how I decided to approach this weekend with a positive mindset, and I feel like it's working. So anyways, I'm gonna now make my breakfast and I'll talk to you in a little bit. Been working all the time. Anyways, back to work. But I thought I would stretch my legs a little bit. Lunchtime. Something really simple for lunch though, but it is delicious. Okay, amiga, I am now quickly gonna do my makeup. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy though, just my everyday makeup. And I might pop on like a red lippy or something because I wanna do a video about like all the red perfumes that I have, or perfumes with red packaging. So I might do something like that today. I'll wear like a black top or something and then maybe a red lippy. I think that would be cute. But I'm gonna do my makeup already because I have time now, and when I'm done with my shift I would like to just film that TikTok and get it over with, and not having to put on makeup when I am done, you know. So I'm gonna do it now to save a little bit of time. I have 15 minutes to do this, so should be okay. All of this just for a TikTok. Tomorrow, by the way, I really have to do like some self-care after work when I'm done with my shift. But yeah, by the way, I've been using this. I really like it. It's the brow glue from NYX. If you like the soap brow look, then this is perfect for that. I still like the soap brow trend though. I don't do it as crazy as I once did, but I do like it. I like how it looks. Okay, I'm just gonna do some lip gloss right now, but I might change it later. Oh, I like this. I love it. Okay, makeup is done. This is my everyday kind of makeup, and I might change the lippy later. But back to work. 1 hour left before the end of my shift, so cheers to that. finished having my food and it was amazing. I really enjoyed it. And that movie, Lady and the Tramp, is just one of my childhood favorites, and it's always so fun. It always puts me in such a good mood to watch that movie again. So I really enjoyed that. Now I am going to shower and wash my hair. I want to start off the week with clean hair, so I'm gonna take some time in doing that. I'm also gonna shave. I have like men's razors for that because those are just the best. Do like a little self-care night. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Let's do it. After my self-care night, I always like to go in with some sleepy time tea. This is just gonna help me to get my beauty sleep in and help me just relax and rest. And I also like to fill out the gratitude journal that I have because there's a lot to be grateful for. But thank you so much. This was everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope to see you soon in another one. Bye!